What's going on, everybody? Benji again. Today I've got something that a friend of mine wanted me to review for him, and I'm super stoked to do it. Sorry guys, I've been sick this past week or two almost, and I've been lagging on a lot of stuff, and I was telling him, I was like, I'm sorry man, I'll get to it as soon as I can. You can even hear my voice. But this is from Repulse Custom Sounds, and I was like, oh man, my childhood. You know what I mean? It's one of those things where I have a bunch of fonts that I've reviewed on my channel. And again, guys, gonna be the scrap tag. Yo, she's my sound font tester, you guys. She's just loud. But I usually review sound fonts that are universe based. You know, Qui-Gon Jinn, Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, so on. But there are a lot of sound fonts out there that sound font makers will do original out of universe sound fonts. So you can have, I mean, there's a ton of stuff. I don't usually play with them that much because just personal taste. I like Canon Hilts, and I like to put the movie quotes and all that stuff on them. But there's a lot of really cool ones out there, and this is his Bumblebee from Transformers sound font, and I was like, oh, that's gonna be really fun to hear. Bumblebee is obviously a favorite of mine when I was a child, and like listening to this it was really cool. It was a lot of fun. So again, guys, this is from Repulse Custom Sounds, and also if you are to go in to Link's page, he has a package deal. Whoa, hey, easy now. Don't you be screaming at me. He's got a package deal right now where you can get all of his fonts. How many is it? 35 fonts for $100, and it's called the Ultimate Font Package. So go to his Facebook, check that out. He has tons and tons of sound fonts that I've been wanting to just start snagging up, especially because he does some really cool stuff. I'm a gamer too, to an extent, and he obviously Link. If you go and look at it, it's Legend of Zelda style stuff, and that cartridge thing that he had. That deal going on was super cool, and I was like, I want that. But this is an out of universe. This is a little different font to review. This is Bumblebee from Transformers. So let's go ahead and get it fired up here. Let's see. Oh wow!
This is our home. We have to fight for
it. Sorry, I just woke it up. Let's go back to.
You must protect the planet.
Oh, so classic, man. Sorry, I was trying to get to the. I have on my board. I tend to forget. I set my quick ignite, so that way I don't listen to the boot up. Usually the board goes into deep sleep. I press any button and it just wakes up. Let me try to get to the font.
Sound bank selection.
My name is
Bumblebee.
Love it. Okay, now let's play. Now let's get to it. So, once again.
like the way they pop.
Of course, I put it on like an amber yellow. I love the hum right off the bat. Very different. Very, I don't know, it's mechanical, it's alive. It's a robot in disguise, you guys, come on. Swings are also some of my favorites. Especially the accent swings. When the accent swings kick in, you get a little bit more of that, like, Transformers vibe. Alright, let's listen to some lockup. And then how about some blasters? Some clashes. And Power Down has some quotes.
You must protect the planet.
Yeah, some Optimus. So yeah, the Power On. Let's see. Do you have Power Ons? Prions. Yeah, so there's about 4 different prions and 2 post-offs. So it's is it randomized? Somewhat, but it's powerful.
Sorry, Mike. Had a little traffic.
So that was 1.
You must protect the planet.
Let's listen to this one.
Decepticons, attack! You must protect the planet.
Let's try this one.
This is our home. We have to fight for it.
See, all different prions, different quotes per angle of orientation.
You must protect the planet.
I think I can switch that and make that whatever I want it to be. It has 2 tracks, so let's listen to what we got for music. Check out the next track. We'll put a brain in it while we're listening to this. I feel so cool with music going on. While there's music playing, putting this thing on. Alright.
This is our home. We have to fight for it.
That's awesome. Man, the swings are so much fun. The swings are a lot of fun. Like, wow, that's really cool. I have a lot of fun with that. Let's get some different colors. Let's go back to amber.
You must protect the planet.
That's really cool. I like the swings a lot. The swings are a lot of fun.
I like the way they pop. You must protect the planet.
Okay, so yeah, that's really cool, man. I really enjoyed that. Like I said, I never really play around with out-of-universe sound fonts, you know? Because, I mean, there's so many. I wish I could think of them off the top of my head. I remember back in the day, Shamim used to do a bunch of different ones. I mean, there's like Aliens and Predator and Godzilla fonts, Dragon Ball Z fonts. I mean, there's tons of different out-of-universe fonts because these font makers can, you know, essentially make whatever they want to. And I just, like, I would play so much with that, but I haven't got around to it. I may have to try to do it. I have, again, this is my first out-of-universe sound font. And that's a lot of fun. A lot of fun doing that. You got voice lines. These are different things you can put in, different quotes you can put in.
This is our home. We have to fight for it.
Where's that one? I love this one, the Soundwave one.
Decepticons, attack!
Oh man, that just reminds me of my childhood, and I love it. So yeah, you get pretty much standard. What's the Force Waves? Force Wave 2. What about Force Wave 1 here? Oh man, you know what? Now.
Decepticons, attack!
Alright, so she's on. Let's get that all I needed, man. That's great.
You must protect the planet.
That's great, man. This is a lot of fun. Thank you, Brandon. Link. You guys go out there and check out his fonts, man. I mean, shoot, if you got money to spend and you are looking to get some fonts, buy that package. I would drop all that in a heartbeat. I mean, every font that I've had from Repulse Custom Sounds are so distinctive and cool. Like every font maker has their own little touch, and it's really awesome to look at. I mean, it's an artist thing to watch them. What they choose to make on their font, what they choose to put on for swings and all these extras and all this stuff. It's just so much fun to play with them, and I've dug every single one that he sent me. There's a lot of unique ones that he has. There's a lot of ones that he just comes up with, all original lightsaber sounds, and they're freaking awesome. Then also his movie, he has the packages. I've reviewed some on my channel. And I have another review after this for an Obi-Wan, The Phantom Menace, coming up next. I'm going to do it after this video. And it's just awesome, man. And you all know I'm a sound font fanboy. I just like I said it a billion times. Without these guys pumping out this kind of stuff and putting in the effort to make sound fonts for us, we lose a lot to play with. I mean, I can't tell you how bored I would get with stock sound fonts. I think probably one thing that I like to play with the most is sound fonts. To me, it's just it's another level to your saber customization, and they bring it to life. So you guys go out there and support. Check out Repulse Custom Sounds. I'll link it in the video in the description. And go listen to some of his fonts. He's got a YouTube channel as well. You can go sample all those fonts, look through them, see which ones you like, and purchase them, man. Throw them on your saber, and they're yours. Personally, I think I collect sound fonts probably more than I collect sabers. I've got hundreds of sound fonts. So, but yeah, hopefully you guys dug that. I had a lot of fun. I'll be looking into getting some different ones to review, just to try out, and mix it up a little bit from the standard lightsaber sounds. So, thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.